Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to my channel Melissa's Kitchen, and in today's video we'll be trying a scripsy chicken recipe. So here I have my chicken. It's well seasoning. The ingredients will be in. Alright, so I'm gonna be adding my chicken to my flour base. So it's just flour with some salt and black pepper. So I'm gonna gently pat my chicken. You want it to be well coated in the flour. So as you can see, I'm turning it, I'm patting it down, I'm turning it and patting it down in flour so it get well coated. I'll bring it over here to the butter station. Oh my gosh, not here. Drench this in here, so. Oh my gosh, come on. Well, I already something like that. Put my station right here. I take off a little swim. And so from here, I'm taking out of this drenched butter and put it in. Follow me over here to the pot and drop that down in there. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful melon yam. Here I have some in your already. So guys, there you have it, our crispy fried chicken. It was quite crunchy. It had a layer of crunchiness to it. So I did this for a good amount of chicken breast. They were quite nice. Tried one, very crunchy. So thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and follow me for more.